hiccuped in puddles, he hiccuped in streams. He hiccuped while napping and dreaming of beans. His friends all laughed, they thought it was funny, but poor Hank just wanted a bit more peace and sunny. He tried to hold his breath, but no luck. The hiccups just kept coming. Stuck, stuck, stuck. So he danced in a circle, sang a loud song, and finally, whoosh, the hiccups were gone. Now Hank can eat without any fright. No more hiccups, everything's alright. So if you're hiccuping, just sing and sway. You might just chase those hiccups away.